Everybody knows me. From when I was a small boy to my youth, that I'm a stickler for the truth. I'm a stickler for the truth. I stand for justice even when it harms me, to my own detriment, to the threat to my life. There are several of my mates spanning throughout my life, in primary school, in secondary school, in the university, in my business life, in my activism, in my activist life. I had always stood for the truth, and I've been very constant. I've never shifted ground. Today, we are seeing Nigerians. Nigeria has degenerated intellectually to the extent that we are seeing Moshoko intellectuals today because of not just for social media. And they're talking, no knowledge. And then when you confront them with the facts, they have no answer. Mostly, the first war that killed so many millions of people, was it a Muslim war? No. They can't answer. They become mute. The second war, was it a Muslim war? Oh. Hiroshima and Nagasaki, was it a Muslim war? Oh. King Leopold of Belgium, was he Muslim? Oh. Hitler, was he Muslim? Oh. Mussolini of Italy, that attacked Libya, attacked Ethiopia, Eritrea, trying and Somaliland, trying to colonize them, killing millions. Was he a Muslim? No. Netanyahu, is he a Muslim? No. The operators of the apartheid system, were they Muslims? No. The killers of the First Nation in America and in Ethiopia, were they Muslims? No. Find equivalent of a Muslim. Find equivalent of a Muslim group, a Muslim nation that had perpetuated this genocide all over the world. Find just one Muslim country. Even the worst of Muslims, like Raza Pahlavi, who was a butcher. You cannot compare him with Hitler. You cannot compare him with Mussolini. You cannot compare him with Napoleon. You cannot compare him with Netanyahu. I'm waiting. Find a Muslim equivalent. Even the worst of Muslims, Raza Pahlavi. The butcher of Iran. So a lot of people are so concerned. Why are you so concerned about this? I speak on this issue because I'm a human being. Number one, I'm a human being. I should be concerned about what happened to my fellow human being anywhere in the world. Two, I am a Muslim. Now, let us ask ourselves, what is the US, United States of America, and Trump going to gain from attacking Iran? What are Americans going to gain from attacking Iran? What are they going to gain from attacking Iran? Or what is America going to lose from attacking Iran? In 45 years, what has America gained in all the most excruciating sanctions they placed on Iran? The most evil sanction they placed on Iran, what have they gained? And in all these sanctions with Europe and everybody instigated by Netanyahu and his associates, what have they gained? What will they lose if they don't attack Iran? Absolutely nothing. In 45 years, America has lost nothing. They have inflicted untold pain on the people of Iran. Unmitigated pain on the people of Iran. Today, why have they not attacked Iran? In all the sanctions they placed on Iran had gone inside itself and developed and had become a superpower and a pride of all conscious people of the South. All conscious people of the non-allied nations. I was watching the Canadian minister speaking, and I felt something in me, that sort of mischievous satisfaction. That sort of mischievous satisfaction. You know why? Canada was one of the countries that was supporting the evil genocide taking place in Gaza, harassing elected legislators in Canadian Parliament for even putting on the kafire, putting it on, putting a piece of rubber on their neck. It was deemed as anti-Semitic, and today it's crying. They came for the Jews. I am not a Jew. They came for the protesters. I wasn't. They came for the communists, and then they came for me. That is what is happening to Canada. Like Greenland was given away. One day, the Canadian Prime Minister was signed, will now live in the world of the strong against the weak. The weak can no longer talk. As long as you're weak, you can't talk. America, it has become obvious. People have been saying that America only exists to further the cause of Zionism. America is a colony of Zionists. They control America. Shame. They're so shameless when you see American politicians talk. Look, the The Gaza, October 7, had opened the eyes of the world. Before all the people pretending, all the ostriches, they can't bury their head on the ground again. There's no ground for them to bury their head again. October 7 had exposed everything. Gaza, thank you Gaza for giving us a world where there is no longer anywhere for hypocrites to hide, munafics to hide, evil people to hide. Whether the people of Gaza paid the supreme price or not, they have torn the veil off our eyes. We can now see clearly. America did not attack. For over 2 weeks they said they are going to attack. I was listening to that mad, sick idiot Trump. We are going to wipe them off the earth, blow them off the surface of the earth. You have been threatened to kill, to eliminate. And you have done, the supreme leader and all the people. You have instigated all manner of things in Iran. Iran practice strategic patience. They've been patient and patient until now. You said you are going to kill them all, and you think they don't have the right to defend themselves, since you are going to kill them all. So since you cannot, Iran has already won the war. This is one thing. Iran has already won the war even before the actual war started. Because you cannot, America and Zionist State of Israel and Great Britain and all their evil allies have come to realize, they will come to realize that they cannot win Iran in a conventional war. Netanyahu is now hiding in a hole. He's running, he's hiding in a hole. All Israeli, all those, God, Iran, Yallah. Iran of yesterday, Iran of Pahlavi. Backward Islamic countries. Backward Muslim countries. Now the Muslim countries have come and they are all hiding. Yahoo! They are all hiding in the hole. They are all running. The whole of the population of Israel is now running into shelter to hide for Iran. Victory for you. They know that they cannot defeat Iran with conventional weapons. If they try it, Iran alone, just one country, had this story about China, Russia, all they just want to use it to make themselves. There is no Russia, there is no China in this war. It's Iran alone. There's nobody. Iran alone. They can't fight conventional war with Iran. Ya Allah. Ya Allah. They can't fight conventional war with Iran any longer. They're hiding the whole of, they're evacuating their plane, they're closing their airport, they're doing everything. And there are people, everybody's afraid who wants to go to America. Hey, I don't need a visa to America. I'm not going to any America. I will speak my truth. America, I'm one. America, I'm one. There is nothing in America that I don't have here. There is nothing in America that I cannot create for myself here. At all. At Canada. I'm one. Almighty America. all 96 they were against all Muslims. Now, Iran alone, you can't fight any conventional war against Iran. Iran has won first victory. So now, they say that's the people. You want to liberate Iranians. You want to liberate them from what? You want to nuke them from the mouth of that sick man, lunatic Trump. He's going to blow up Iran. So you are going to use unconventional weapons. You are going to nuke Iranians. So you don't care, 60 million Iranian guys, you don't give a damn. Yeah, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen. It is not going to happen. Something will happen. And Iran is not going to accept your related terms of limiting now. Iran has said, this is the end of the war. We must fight it and end it now. You are waiting the first person to press the button. You are going to liberate Iranians by killing them, by committing the worst genocide in the history of mankind. Out of 90-something Iranian, you want to nuke about 60 million so that you can free Iran. Free Iran from you. What are you freeing Iran from? You are freeing Iran so that women will go naked, skimpy clothes. Man will marry man. Woman will marry woman. Woman will marry a dog. Man will marry a dog. That is what you do in your country. That is your sense of freedom. So that you steal, you commit all manner of crime. The world as a whole must stand with Iran. If Iran, they can't defeat Iran with conventional weapons. They know it already. Whatever they try, they instigate revolt, they do all this thing, they can never defeat Iran with conventional weapons. And since they can't defeat Iran with conventional weapons, they are going to nuke Iran. That is what they are trying to conclude. A lot of voices in America are saying, you can't do this. Now the world stands still while two mad men with a third one in London are threatening fellow human beings with unconventional weapons, weapons of mass destruction, to kill our fellow human beings. Where are the religious leaders of the world? Where is the UN? Nobody. Everybody is afraid to talk. We will not be afraid. I will not be afraid. I will speak no matter the consequences. I don't sleep at night, I wake up to view these things. If Iran falls, the world has fallen. Shame on you, Jordan. You want to put Muslim on the firing line. Iran will not fall for this. Iran will go straight to the jugular of the enemy. They will not kill their fellow Muslims. But whatever king or the way your father betrayed the caliphate, Cherry will say, today you are betrayed. Betrayal and treachery is in your blood, it's in your generation, it's in your family. You are a damn people. Iran is not seeking war. But a point had come in the life of the Iranian people that they have no option than to fight to the end. Shame on all of us who have the chance to speak and stand up and will refuse to speak and stand and watch this calamity unfold before our very eyes. Shame on all